Welcome to Faceless Fortune, where we're about to uncover the secrets of creating killer content without ever needing to reveal your face. In today's digital era, being online is basically like having a second life, right? But guess what? You don't need to plaster your face all over the internet to make it big. Whether you're not a fan of selfies, you're all about privacy, or you just love the mystery of anonymity, we've got you covered. This guide is all about helping you create content that rocks without needing to show your face. Let's dive in. First off, forget everything you've been told about needing your face front and center to make waves online. Sure, some people are all about showing off their mug, but not everyone's into that, and that's totally cool. We're here to show you that you can still make a splash without ever revealing your face. So why is it important to have a strong online presence anyway? Well, think about it. Your online presence is like your digital calling card. It's how people find you, connect with you, and ultimately decide if they're going to stick around. But here's the thing. It's not about what you look like. It's about what you have to say and share with the world. Whether you're into blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or any other form of content creation, there are plenty of ways to make your mark without showing your face. It's all about finding your niche, honing your voice, and creating content that resonates with your audience. And hey, if you're worried about not being taken seriously because you're not putting your face out there, don't be. There are plenty of successful creators who prefer to keep things low-key, and they're killing it. Hey, think about it, the movie producers make the movies and make the most money, but the actors gets the attention. While they may not receive the same level of public recognition as actors, their contributions are essential to the success of the final product. I'd rather be the movie producer and have the financial freedom and less stress of being the public figure. So, whether you're a TikTok sensation in the making, a budding Instagram influencer, or a future YouTube star, remember this. You don't need to show your face to make it big online. With the right strategies and a little creativity, you can build a strong online presence that speaks volumes without ever having to reveal your face. So go ahead, embrace the mystery, and get ready to make your mark on the digital world. Coming next, Chapter 1, Crafting Compelling Narratives. Click to subscribe and follow. Click Faceless Fortune. This is a link to embed in on the script.